How to join Blox Fruit's Discord server. So first, just open up your Roblox website, then find the Blox Fruits page right here. So just simply click on Blox Fruits. And once you're here, just scroll down till you see the Discord logo right here. So join our community server for updates and support. Just simply click on that, and this will pop up at the top. And as you can see, I have my Discord logged in already. So it just says accept invite. So click on accept invite again. So as you can see, it says that this server is currently full. Please try again later. But once the server is not full, this will pop up. So I have my Discord app. So I'll just simply click on open Discord and wait for it to join. And as you can see right here, it redirected me on the Discord website. And here you will see the rules. So you could just go through it right here. And there are tons of rules right here. So just make sure that you read them all, and after that you could go to the verification channel right here to verify your account. As you can see, when you go here, it says that welcome to Blox Fruits, and you will need to click on this link, and of course you could check the verification instructions. So it says that you can do this by saying /verify in the verification channel and going to the link Blox link, but both posts, or simply goes to this link right here. So I'm just going to click on this link. Here you will need to sign in with your Discord. So I'm just going to sign in. So click on the sign in, then click on authorize right here. And as you can see, I am right here. You could also change the account that you want. So when I click on sign in with Discord, I'm just going to use my other account. I'm just going to go through it again, authorize. And wait for it to load. And as you can see, you will need to enter your Blox Fruit or your Roblox username right here to get verified. So I'm just going to input mine. And now once you just need to go through all of these options to get fully verified. You can now access everything and the Roblox Discord server. And that's how you basically join the Blox Fruits Discord server.